Hey everybody, so I just want to take a minute to make a really quick video to show you how to use the Harbor Freight half-inch grommet installation kit. It is part number 63237 and everything comes in this little blue bag. You'll get a bag of 50 grommets, 50 washers, a little punching tile, your punch, the anvil, and the setter, and some instructions that won't make any sense. So I've taken this piece and I've already installed one grommet on there, and then I did one through 2 layers of this marine grade vinyl, and it turned out really cool. So let me show you how to do this. It is super easy. So reach in your bags. You're going to need one grommet and you're going to need one washer. And they give you enough to make 50 grommets. The grommet looks like a little sombrero or a little UFO, and it's got a little piece coming up, and then the washer looks like this. There's an ugly side and a good side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of vinyl. Let me see. I'm just going to cut this one off. All right, so you're going to take your piece of vinyl or canvas or, whatever you're using, and I'm going to put it face down, and you're going to need a hammer, and I'm going to lay my punch right there. And I'm just going to whack it a couple of times. Okay, there's our hole. I find it easier when you're punching this to kind of go around in a little circle like this. But anyway, so you're done with that. Now you take your anvil and you're going to take your grommet and you're going to put it down with the tall part facing up. And then you're going to lay this on there and make sure that this is going through your fabric. And then you're going to take your washer with the good side up and lay it down on top of that. And then you're going to take your setter, put it on there. That's all it takes. There's your grommet. So you can use this on tarps. You can use it as a decorative item in something you're making. You can put it on nearly anything, some leather, whatever. But it is super easy. It's the Harbor Freight 104-piece half-inch grommet installation kit. It's part number 63237, and it's about $6. All right, that's it. Have a great day.